Hi guys, welcome back to Style of Substance and welcome to today's video, which is a designer dupe handbag unboxing. So the lovely ladies at Fashion Drug sent me two handbags which I'm going to unbox and review, give you my first impressions, and I will link the two bags down below in the description box along with a discount code that you guys can use to get some money off. So if you like the sound of that, then let's get into the video. So the bags came in this huge box here, and what I'm going to do is just pull them out. So it came with this, so when you order you probably get a compliments card. I'm not sure if they do that. They said, Nadreen, we are so happy you love our new bag collection as much as we do. Have fun styling these beauties. XOXO Team Fashion Drug. So let's get into the first bag. So all of their bags come in these black sort of totes, and it says addicted to fashion on the back and then the Fashion Drug logo on the front. So and then they come sort of with a lovely bow there that you can undo. So it's a nice little unboxing experience for you. So the first bag is their Hailey bag, and it looks like this. So this, I would say, is very similar to the Chanel Classic Flap in the chevron print, but yeah, with the silver hardware. So I think that's the kind of vibe they were going for with this one, but I love it. It's a little bigger than I would normally carry for this style of handbag, but if you carry a lot of stuff in your bag, this could be a really good one. So it opens with this clasp like so, to reveal a really spacious inside. So let me take out the paper. And show you the inside. So the inside looks like that. So it's separated by this flap there, and that's got a zip opening so you can keep stuff in there. And then there is also a zip opening right at the back. I don't know if you can see it. I'll do it like this. Right there. So you could probably keep like some money and like really maybe your driver's license and stuff in there. And then there's a little pocket in the front there. So really spacious, and what I will do is pop it on so you can see kind of what it looks like. So really nice on my frame. I am 5'5" exactly, so it just kind of fits me like that. I would probably take this bag on a night out and keep a change of flat shoes in here, and then you could probably also wear it slightly longer, maybe crossbody if you wanted. But for me, this would probably be a bag that's slightly too big to do the crossbody thing. Or I've seen some people, how do they do it? I've seen some people with their bags that are like this. I think just kind of use something to like tie these two together on the inside, like so, and then they just carry it like a top handle bag, like that. But yeah, you have to secure it. So yeah, really like this one. So this is actually called the striped jumbo bag. So I think they do this in a smaller size. I'll check, but I will have a link their website down below so you guys can have a look. Then the next bag also comes in the same sort of packaging. Probably my favourite is what they're calling the Hailey bag. So it is this gorgeous black, it's kind of like a grained leather black bag. It's got, I guess you could say this is kind of black on the clasp, because it's quite, it's not, but it's quite shiny, so like maybe like a gunmetal, I don't know, but very nice there. So I'll just open it up so you can see what the inside looks like. Take these bits out. So it just looks like that. What I love is the stitching down the sides. It just really gives it a bit more detail and something a bit more exciting, and it is for me the perfect size. So this would be a really great like work bag, sort of everyday, kind of going around, going out and about. I wouldn't be able to fit my lunch in this, which would be the only problem, but rarely do I prepare my lunch for work. So yeah, it just looks like that. It's a really good size. You can fit a purse in here, you could probably fit a very small pair of shoes in here, and I am absolutely in love with it. I think the quality of their bags is why I love them so much, and obviously if you are looking to try out a designer alternative, getting a dupe or getting something that looks quite similar in style to it is a really good way to go. So really happy with this. I think, yeah, this is going to become my new everyday work bag, because I can't take my big LV Neverfull around every day on the underground especially. So love this. I've linked it in the description box below. So the discount code is going to be SWS10, and you can get 10% off if you use that. So I definitely recommend in particularly the Hailey bag, because you know I've been in the market for a Fendi Peekaboo, so it's a really nice dupe of that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. You guys will be seeing this video on my birthday, so thank you so much to the ladies at Fashion Drive for these early birthday presents, and thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. And to make sure that happens, click subscribe and turn on your notifications so you get a little box pop up every time I upload a new video. Otherwise, I hope you guys in London anyway are all enjoying the bank holiday weekend and this amazing weather. I always say that with my birthday comes the best weather, so thank me later. Have a great weekend, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!